Hi, I'm Slavic with iDrinkCoffee.com. Today I'm presenting the Ceado E37s espresso grinder. The E37s is a grinder that has undergone several revisions over the last few years, and this is the culmination of all those revisions, the latest version, and it really is fantastic. To present this grinder, I'm going to be going over all of the features. I'm going to be explaining how to program it. I'll show you the insides. I'll show you how the burrs look. And then I'm also going to do a dosing consistency test because this is a time grinder, so we're going to see how consistent that time grinding is. So first I'm going to go over the features of this grinder. I'm going to start at the top with the hopper. The hopper that comes with our shipments of the E37s is the small hopper, and this is a 500-gram hopper. But it does support a larger hopper if you're using it in a commercial setting or you want more coffee. The hopper has a sliding door, so I can easily close this to remove it. If I want to change my coffee, I can do that. And then I can put it back into place and then open the door up. Underneath that is one of the biggest revisions this grinder has undergone in the last little while, and that's the adjustment mechanism. This is how we set how fine the grinder is, either coarser or finer. And Ceado's introduced this oversized adjustment knob. We move it left or counterclockwise to make the grind finer, or right to make it coarser. And because this is a worm gear, a reduction gear, you can make very, very small changes and really dial in your espresso to get it absolutely perfect. Underneath the screen, we have the chute, and I like this chute because first of all, it's quite short, and I also like the sharp angle of it, so coffee doesn't get stuck up here. The grind chamber is just behind here, so you don't get too much grind retention with this grinder, even though it has quite large 83mm burrs. Underneath that, we have the fork, and this is where you put your portafilter. This can be adjusted to fit your portafilter. You just basically set it to the height, depending on the brand of espresso machine, the brand of portafilter that you're using. Here, for example, I have a Rocket one. I can grind into this portafilter very easily. And you can also hear that quiet motor. Ceado really is one of the quietest grinders on the market, which is a very sought-after feature. This is the touchscreen interface where we basically set our dosage. The Ceado E37s is a timed grinder, so you can program your single and your double shot based on time. The screen is also a soft touch screen, so it's very easy and very responsive. It really is a pleasure to use. You just touch it lightly and you can switch in between your different settings. If you want to program your grind time, you do that by holding in the button. After a few seconds, you can adjust the time. Currently, the single shot is set to 3 seconds, and I'm going to adjust it up a little bit. Let's say I'm going to go to 4, and I press the set button, and now it's set at 4. Very, very simple, very easy. The double shot works the exact same way. Another really great feature of the E37s grinder is that you can remove or open up the burr chamber and clean your burrs without changing your grind setting. This entire top part is the adjustment mechanism, and it's held in place with 3 Phillips screws, and I'm actually going to remove those now. And of course, I'll remind you that you should only do this with the grinder turned off and unplugged, which mine, of course, is. Taking these 3 screws out takes less than a minute. All I have to do now is to lift the top burr, and I expose the grind chamber and the burrs. You can see the top burr here, which is the burr that gets adjusted. There's no fine thread anywhere like you'll find on collared grinders. Those fine threads can be very, very difficult to clean. This here, very easy to access. I can just take a brush here and wipe this. I mean, I'm just doing a cursory one, but you can give it a nice thorough cleaning. Do the same with the bottom. You'll also notice that the distance between the burr and the side of the grind chamber is very, very small. There's not a lot of place for coffee to hide, so we're not going to have a lot of retention with this grinder. With the 83mm burr set, which is very large, as we can see, that's really fantastic. To put this back on, I just put it into place and put the 3 screws in. And what's really incredible is I can do my cleaning at the end of the day or whenever I'm doing my cleaning on my schedule, and I don't change my grind setting. I can put my coffee back in and start grinding right away, which really is a nice feature. Now we're going to test the dosing consistency of this grinder. The Ceado E37s is a time grinder. As you can see, I have my double dose set to 5.1 seconds. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to grind 5 consecutive shots and I'm going to weigh the results to see how much variance we have from grind to grind. I've got my container here set, I've got it tared. It's 0.0 grams. When I remove it, you can see it goes to a negative amount. And I'm going to grind into this and we're going to find out what the consistency is. So the first dose is 18.2 grams. Second dose is 18.4 grams. The third dose is 18.6 grams. Our fourth dose is 18.9 grams. And the fifth dose is 19.1 grams. So as you can see, the variance is about 1 gram from the first shot to the fifth shot. As the burrs kind of heated up, we gained about 1 gram, which for burrs of 83 millimeter size is pretty good. That's fairly consistent. Ceado is a newer brand in the espresso space, competing with larger and much older manufacturers. But one thing that they're doing really well is they're innovating. They're making a lot of changes and a lot of iterations to their grinders. As we can see with the E37s, they don't rest on their laurels. They continue to strive to improve their products to really produce the best possible grinder. These grinders are also handmade in Italy, near Venice. It really is a fantastic company. If you have any questions about the E37s or any one of our products, please feel free to reach out and ask for help. We're here and we're happy to offer it. Also, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos about coffee grinders, espresso machines, and everything to do with coffee. Thank you for watching and have a great day.